In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kroger account. By the end, you will be able to sign in and start using digital coupons and online shopping without any trouble. First, open the Kroger website, use your regular browser and type in Kroger.com, then press enter. When the page loads, you should see the Kroger logo at the top and options for departments, search, and weekly ads. Take a second to confirm the address bar shows Kroger.com so you know you are on the official site. Next, select Create Account. Look toward the top right corner of the page for the sign-in area. There, you should see a link or button that says Create Account. Click that, and a new page or pop-up will appear with a form asking for your information. If you see boxes for name, email, and password, you are in the right place. Now enter your first name and last name. Type your first name in the first box, then your last name in the next box. These usually appear at the top of the form. Make sure you spell them correctly, since Kroger may use this name on receipts and emails. If something looks wrong, you can always click back in the box and fix it before moving on. After that, enter your email address. This email becomes your username for signing in later. Type it carefully into the email field and watch for small typos, like missing letters or extra spaces. Many beginners accidentally add a space at the end, which can cause sign-in errors later. Once entered, the screen should keep the email visible so you can double-check it. With your email set, create your password. Choose a password that you have not used on other sites and make it strong enough to be hard to guess. As you type, you might see a small strength meter or a list of requirements, such as length or using numbers. If the password does not meet those rules, the form will usually show a short warning under the box, so adjust it until that warning disappears. Now choose your preferred store. On this part of the form, you might see a box where you can search by your zip code or city. Type your zip code and then select the store you visit most often from the list. Picking the right store helps Kroger show correct prices, pickup times, and local weekly deals. Once that is done, accept the terms and conditions. Look for a small checkbox near a line that mentions terms or conditions. Click the box so a check mark appears. This tells Kroger you agree to their rules for using the account. Next, click Create Account. This button is usually at the bottom of the form. After you click, the page will pause for a moment while your information is sent. If everything is filled in correctly, you will move to the next screen instead of seeing an error. If prompted, verify your email. Kroger may send a message to the email address you entered. Open your email in a new tab, look for the message from Kroger, and click the Verify link inside. After you do that, the Kroger website page may refresh or confirm that your email is verified. Finally, sign in with your email and password. On the Kroger site, go back to the sign-in area, type your email in the username box, then your password in the password box, and sign in. Once you are signed in, you should see your name or account icon near the top right corner, which means your account is ready to use. You just created and verified your new Kroger account, so if this helped you get set up, please give the video a quick thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple how-to guides.